Professionalism has much to do with respect. It's treating others as you would want to be treated.
Dressing professionally is extremely important when thinking about professionalism. I always recommend dressing conservatively, for sure, at job fairs or even at the beginning of the application process, or even when you first start in a job. But making sure that you look the part is important, and it also helps you to develop that sense of, I am a professional and I should be treated as such.
There are nuances within professionalism that students should be aware of, such as etiquette within individual industries. For example, business professionalism is going to look different than equestrian professionalism. And if you are aware and learn these things, you will shine as a professional.
Professionalism is having a good character and being someone that people can trust. You will not compromise your character regardless of the situation, and people know that you will get the job done.